So this is the final outcome of a project. So in this, this is the project of car rental as well as carpooling. So to implement this project, we use a Python Flask framework. Along with that, we use backend XAMPP MySQL for database storage. Okay. So in this, so this is the landing page. So in this, we are going to mention that title name and what are the features it's going to provide. Okay. So car rental we are providing, carpooling and booking history, auto cost calculation, ride search as well as the secure accounts. Okay. So after that we can make create account and browse and choose the car, we can book a car as well as we can pull a car, and automatic calculation is going to work. So here we have a two main things. One is user and the one is admin. So admin, they can add cars and they can add car poolings as well as they can see the graphical of that how many cars are booked, all those things they can see. Welcome to, let's start with user registration. So I'm going to make a registration of a user and phone number I'm going to give and password. So here registration successful. Now we are logging with mail ID, password. Okay, so here it's going to show. So till now the user didn't did any kind of car rentals and car pooling. The user didn't did anything. Okay, so here we can search car rental. So here we already have a cars. So we can select. So there is a different types of cars we have. For each and every day we have different types of uh, price. Okay, so I'm going to like Hyundai Creta. I'm going to book. So I'm going to book from day from when to when. So first suppose so 19 to 2026 to, so per day it's just 3000. So I'm going to make 25/0 to 2026. So it's automatically cost, make a cost of that, and it's going to confirm the booking. So once it's done, see, so we can see Hyundai Creta and pick up when and return and 6 days total is 18,000. So if you want means we can make a cancel also. Okay, and after that we can we can check for a carpooling also. So here only we have a carpooling one. Okay, and we can check with history. So what we have taken. Okay, and now we'll make a logout and we'll go with admin and we will add a carpooling. So for admin we have a credentials. Okay, so I'm going to add manage rights. Okay, so this is a pool rights from Bangalore to Mysore, and I'm going to make mention date, sorry, 6. So time I'm going to mention 15. So seats I have around 3 seats. Price per seat is 500. I'm going to mention. So state Karnataka, Bangalore, and add ride. So the ride is added here. Now we'll check here and we can check carpooling. Okay. So we can make, sorry, about. So we can check here for carpooling. So here we have a car from Bangalore to Mysore. I'm going to check book seats. So I'm going to choose seats. Okay. So I'm going to select seats. I want to make it 2 seats and then confirm booking. Here the booking is confirmed. Okay. So if you want means we can make a cancel the booking also. Okay, cancel. So this is the final outcome of a project.